Today, I'll show you how to add friends on Steam. Whether you're looking to connect with fellow gamers or invite your friends to join your gaming adventures, adding friends on Steam is a straightforward process. In this guide, I'll walk you through the steps to expand your Steam friends list using three different methods. First, open your web browser and head over to steamcommunity.com. Once you're there, log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one. But for those of you who are already set up, just enter your credentials and hit sign in. Now that you're logged in, direct your attention to the very top of the page. Here you'll see your public profile name. Hover over it and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, click on Friends. And this will take you to your main friends page where you can manage your existing friends or add new ones. On the left sidebar of this page, you'll notice several options. Look for the tab that says Add a Friend and click on it. This is your gateway to connecting with people on Steam. Once you're on the Add a Friend page, you'll find three different methods to add friends. Let's go through each one. The first method is to use a friend code. This is the most precise way to add someone on Steam. Each user has a unique friend code, which is a series of numbers specifically assigned to their account. If your friend has shared their friend code with you, simply enter it in the designated field. This method is especially useful when you're looking to add someone with a common profile name, ensuring you connect with the exact person you intend to. If you're looking for speed and convenience, the second method is to use a quick invite link. This is the fastest option, especially if you're communicating with your friend via a chat app or email. Simply copy the invite link generated on this page and send it to your friend. When they click on the link, they'll have the option to add you directly to their friends list. This method is quick and eliminates the need for searching or entering codes. Finally, there's the old school way, searching by their profile name. If you know your friend's Steam profile name, typing it into the search bar will bring up a list of users with similar names. This method might require a bit more effort, especially if the name is common, but it's still a reliable way to find and add friends. Make sure to verify their profile picture or any other identifying details to ensure you're adding the right person. And there you have it. Adding friends on Steam is as easy as that. Whether you prefer the precision of a friend code, the speed of a quick invite link, or the traditional profile name search, these methods offer flexibility to suit your needs. So go ahead, connect with your friends, and make the most of your Steam gaming experience. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips and tricks on maximizing your time on Steam. Happy gaming!